Sergeant, you know him? Come back here. What sort is he? Man, come back, is it, Sergeant? Do you want to have me killed? Sergeant, why do you say that? Man, never mind, I'm going. I wouldn't be in your shoes if the reward was 10 times as much. Goes on off stage to left. Not if it was 10 times as much. Sergeant, rushing after him. Come back here, come back. Drags him back. What sort is he? Where did you see him? Man, I saw him in my own place, like in the country, Claire. I tell you, you wouldn't like to be looking at him. You'd be afraid to be in the one place with him. There isn't a weapon he doesn't know that use of. He doesn't know the use of. And as to strength, his muscles are as hard as that boat. Slaps barrel. Sergeant, is he as bad as that? Man, he is then. Sergeant, do you tell me so? Man, there was a poor man in our place, a sergeant from Ballyvaughan. It was with a lump of stone he did it. Sergeant, I never heard of that. Man, and you wouldn't, Sergeant. It's not everything that happens get into the paper. And there was a policeman in plain clothes too. It is in Limerick he was. It was after the time of the attack on the police barrack at Kilmallock. Moonlight. Just like this. What a sight. Nothing was known for certain. Sergeant, do you say so? It's a terrible country to belong to. Man, that is so indeed. You might be standing there, looking out that way, thinking you saw him coming up this side of the quay. Points. And he might be coming up this other side. Points. And he didn't be on you before you knew where you were. Sergeant, it's a whole troop of police they're out to put here to stop a man like that. Man, but if you'd like me to stop with you, I could be looking down this side. I could be sitting up here on this barrel. Sergeant, and you know him well too? Man, I'd know him a mile off, Sergeant. Sergeant, but you wouldn't want to share the reward. Man, it is a poor man like me that has to be going the roads and singing in fairs to have the name on him that he took a reward. But you don't want me. I'll be safer in the town. Sergeant, well, you can stop. Man, getting up on barrel. All right, Sergeant, I wonder now you are not tired out. Sergeant, walking up and down the way you are. Sergeant, if I am tired, I am used to it. Man, you might have hard work before you tonight yet. Take it easy while you can. There is a plenty of room up here on the barrel, and you see farther when you are higher up. Sergeant, maybe so. Gets up beside him on barrel, facing right. They sit back to back, looking different ways. You made me feel a bit queer with the way you talked. Man, give me a match, Sergeant. He gives it and man lights pipe. Take a draw yourself. It will quiet you. Wait now till I give you a light, but you need not turn around. Don't take your eye off the quay for the life of you. Sergeant, never fear, I won't. Lights pipe, they both smoke. Indeed, it's a hard thing to be in the force, out at night, and no thanks for it, for all the danger we are in. And it is little we get but abuse from the people, and no choice but to obey our orders, and never asked when a man is sent into danger, if you are a married man with family. Man sings. As through the hills I walked to view the hills and shamrock plain, I stood a while where nature smiles to view the rock and streams. On a matron fair I fixed my eyes beneath a fertile vale. As she sang her song, it was on the wrong of poor old Granville. Sergeant, stop that. There is no song to be singing in these times. Man, Sergeant, I was only singing to keep my heart up. It sings when I think of him. To think of us two sitting here, and he creeping up the quay, maybe to get to us. Sergeant, are you keeping a good lookout? Man, I am, and for no reward too. Am't I the foolish man? But when I saw a man in trouble, I never could help trying to get him out of it. What's that? Did something hit me? Rubs his heart. Rubs his heart. Sergeant, patting him on the shoulder. You will get your reward in heaven. Man, I know that, Sergeant, but life is precious. Sergeant, well, you can sing if it gives you more courage. Man sings. Her head was bare, her hands and feet with iron bands were bound, her pensive strain and plaintive wail mingles with the evening gale, and the song she sang with mournful air, I am all Grenouille, her lips so sweet that monarchs kissed. Sergeant, that's not it. Her gown she wore was stained with gore. That's it, you missed that. Man, you are right, Sergeant, so it is. I missed it, repeats line. But to think of a man like you knowing a song like that? Sergeant, there is many a thing a man might know and might not have any wish for. Man, now I dare say, Sergeant, in your youth you used to be sitting up on a wall the way you are sitting up on this barrel now, and the other lads beside you, and you singing Grenouille? Sergeant, I did then. Man, and then Sean Bean Bosch. Sergeant, I did then. Man, and the green on the cape? Sergeant, that was one of them. Man, and maybe the man you are waiting for tonight used to be sitting on the wall when he was young and singing the same song. It's a queer world. Sergeant, wish, I think I see coming. It's only a dog. Man, and isn't it a queer world? Maybe it's one of the boys you used to be singing with that time you will be arresting today or tomorrow and sending into the dock. Sergeant, that's true indeed.